Man, I'm so excited for you. Welcome to Cloner X. This is going to speed the whole process up, make you a superhuman, meaning that you'll be able to do so much work in such a short period of time and have such a competitive advantage. It's unreal. Let's just start here with clone a new product. So in the Academy, I'm going to teach you how to find viral products, trending products, products that sell all the time, and we're going to spy on stores that are other dropshippers just like us. And if we can get the same product that they are, if we see that they're paying money with ads based on how many views their videos have, how much engagement, how long their ads have been running, nobody runs ads if they're not making money. Think about that. No one's wasting money on advertising if they're not making money. There has to be a way. They're just not throwing money out the window. So let's say this is the product that we found that's winning. We're going to go ahead and copy. We're going to go over here to the store URL and paste it in. Now you could see here that you could set things to 10, 30, 50. The more products that you want to see in the store, the longer it's going to take to load. We gave this system an exact link to an exact product, so it's only going to pick up that one product. Let's hit find products. Bam, there we go. If we wanted that product, you go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see three options here. View means that you're going to view it on the existing page that we're looking at. If you click clone, it will put it in your system and clone it, but it's not live until we do one thing. And then if you click publish, it's live right now. You don't have to go in there and do a thing at all. What's the difference? Clone lets you put it into the system, get it ready, change the title, maybe change the prices, maybe change the description a little bit, get rid of a couple pictures that you don't like, set it up the way you want it, and then make it go live. Publish is if you find it, it's perfect, you love the way it is, you see that it's really going viral, set up at those prices, everything. You just hit publish and you run. So let's go ahead and hit clone, and now it's going to pop up tags. The tags go on your product. What do tags do? Tags allow you to set up collections on the fly. So as long as you went through the 200 series and you set up your collections and you put certain tags, let's say you put one of the tags as all. All meaning that it would show every single product in your store in the all collection. Now you don't have to call it all collection, but I just tag it all so that every single one of my products gets that, and then they get to go into its own collection where every product is, not just like different niches and sub niches. If you want to add another tag, you can just put the comma. Okay, and this is a kitchen gadget. That's what I would consider it. We're just going to put kitchen. So if I had a kitchen collection, it would automatically go into both collections. Before I hit OK, I want you to know that you could put 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 tags if you wanted to. If you're super organized, just put a comma after each one. So we're going to click on OK. And down at the bottom it says products are being cloned in the background. You can move around here and do whatever you want, and it's all good. So now let's go ahead, and I'm just gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. There's the collections, okay? This one seems to say there's 433 items in all products, so they use the all tag as well. Car accessories, health and beauty. All right, so let's go to housewares, right? We go to housewares and you can see that that's their collection. So if we wanted a housewares collection, we would paste that in and we'd do find products. Bam. There it is. It pulled 10, it pulled 20, it pulled 30. There's 30 of the products in that collection, and then you can go to the next page if you want to, okay? Now, there's a couple cool things going on here. We could select newest basically whenever they created it. So this store just happens to have created products 2 months ago. Doesn't look like they're super active right now. I don't know if they have a viral product. Maybe they're taking a break, whatever it is, okay? But we're looking to see here created in the last day, 2 days, 3 days. Those are awesome. They did product research. They put it in there. There must be a reason, right? You can do oldest. So they created this a year ago. Here's the mold remover. A lot of these were viral trending products at one point in time. So this dropshipper did know what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing now, moving on to something else, whatever. But the store is still live. Newest update. So look, they created this on the 4th, but someone went in there and actually changed the branding of it. Could have been change of a title, could have been change of the price, whatever. So that's the newest update, and then there's the oldest update. Nobody has touched this in this store for a long time. Let's go to newest creation. And if you wanted all 30, you just click all 30. I want you to notice something. The buttons disappeared of clone and publish. Now you can only clone them. There's way too many here to make them live. Could be too many mistakes, whatever. So here, you'll go ahead and clone them and add the tag of housewares or kitchen, whatever you want to name it in there. And you'll have a full collection. It'd be pretty cool. Now, let's go and look at something else. We're just gonna back this thing out and we'll hit find products. Now this is the whole website. It's gonna go scrape the whole entire thing. We don't need the whole website. But I just wanna show you that, let's say this was one of our favorite sites that we keep finding, ads, all types of stuff, they're testing. We wanna do add bookmark. And you can see right down there it says bookmark saved. So let's go here to clone products. Clone products shows all the products that you've cloned before in the past. Shows you a quick way to view it and then edit it. You could also view it to see if the people changed it on their site too. Now, we can go here to favorite stores, and this is where we added the bookmark. I want you to see what's going on here. So we used to follow this page, but couldn't reach it. Let's just look. So somehow the store is closed. It's still there because it has password, so that means they just closed it down and they're doing something in the background. They could have been closed down because they're not using that store no more. Maybe they lost a merchant account, whatever it is. But the cool thing is it's going out and searching. Okay, you don't have to do that manually. You don't have to have a spreadsheet, none of that stuff. It's gonna do it on the fly. Now, you can see here that we have the second store. I don't know if this says iMoose.com, whatever it is, but they have 5 new products in the last 7 days. Then we couldn't reach this store has 20, and then this store has 20, okay? Now, they could have hidden products, whatever. It's going in and searching everything. So I wanna just go here, and let's say we wanna load this bookmark. We're going to click load, and now it's going to bring that URL in here, and it's going to search. And when we search, you can see that this is created a day ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, and you'll see all the products that are created recently. Now, let's go to hot products. These are trending products that are working right now as you get in here. There's a couple things going on here. Number one, you could see the image, quick view. You could see the interest targeting. We're going to use this inside of Facebook. You see all these? You could literally just hit the copy button. We would paste it and it will be all in one ad set. If you've already gone through the 400 series, you would see how nice this is to be able to just copy and paste, put the interest in there, and bam. Then you would quickly just duplicate, let's say to 10 times, and then you just go remove one. Sewing's going to be by itself, sewing needle, pattern sewing, sewing machine. You can also click here, and this is going to lead you to either the Facebook or the Instagram video that we found that shows that this product's working. So it's 3,500 likes, 369 comments, and it's very recent. You can see the video's decent. This is letting you know that people are still running ads right now and they're spending money on it, okay? AliExpress, let's click this. We're going to show you exactly where to get this product. 260 reviews, 4.8 stars, 1,500 orders. This is a really good start. And then you can scroll down, you can look at the pictures. Are they good? I mean, this stuff looks good, okay? Finally, we'll go to the Shopify store. You'll start to see a trend. As you start to see more viral products, trending products, products that sell, you'll start to see good stores start to come up all the time. These are the stores that you want to put inside of your bookmarks, okay? Your top favorite stores that are always looking, searching for you. And all you have to do is hit the clone button. You hit clone, and it's in your store. Products are being cloned in the background. And you can scroll. Right now we have it so that you scroll down and you have to go to the, I see those trending all the time right there. You'll be able to go to the next page and then you'll see the auto refresh, and there you go. There's the new ones. Okay, so make sure you give it a few seconds to go and change all the stuff because it's pulling from the database. And that's it. That's Cloner X. That's as simple as I can explain Cloner X for you. Those are all the features, and you'll start to find your own rhythm and your own cool little hacks in your stores that you're looking for, and it'll be great. So I hope you guys enjoyed Cloner X. Make sure you go to the Go Lives. We'll use Cloner X live on the fly tons of times.